The home screen is really coming together. We have a hero title and 2 buttons underneath. Our next step is to make the horizontal list under the buttons. There will be 4 lists total. These lists will be trending movies, trending TV shows, top rated movies, and top rated TV shows. Keeping the dry method in mind, we'll create one file and reuse it. First thing we need is more test images. Navigate to constants. Make some space after test title URL. I'll make sure to include these strings in a description. Please copy and paste them. Static let test title URL 2 equals paste. Static let test title URL 3 equals, I'll grab the string, paste. While we're here, let's also make a trending movie string. Press enter after place string. Static let trending movie string equals trending movies. Great work. Use Command N to make a new file. SwiftUI view. Next. Horizontal. List. View. Create. Let it load. Press enter twice after the first brace. Up arrow once. Let header equals constants dot trending movie string. Var titles equals bracket constants dot test title URL, comma, constants dot test title URL 2, comma, constants dot test title URL 3. We define 2 variables here. Header is our trending movie string. Let was used because it won't change. Titles is an array of strings currently holding our 3 test titles. Var was used because the list might change when the data refreshes. Delete the hello world text. Instead type VStack. Down arrow to the one that has alignment and more options. Right arrow. Select the one with alignment and content. For alignment, put .leading. Tab. Hit enter to get braces. This VStack will align all its views to the left of the phone. Inside the braces, text, header. Add the modifier .font, .title. This makes the text bigger. Under the text, type ScrollView with parentheses and curly braces. ScrollView allows us to scroll through views that exceed the screen capacity. Inside the parentheses, put .horizontal. This allows our views to scroll horizontally. In the braces, type LazyHStack with braces. LazyHStack only loads the views when needed. Inside LazyHStack, for each titles, open brace, title in, enter 3 times. For each is a handy tool that loops through a list. It also gives us access to each element. We're getting an error because each element needs to have an ID. Since each string is different, we can use the string itself as an ID. After titles, comma, ID, :\self. We can now access each element in our titles array. Each element is represented by the title variable after the braces. Inside for each, we'll use AsyncImage. Select the one with the URL, string, title. That loads our images, but we desperately need some modifiers. Open brace, image in, enter 3 times. After the brace, type place, tab, progress view in the placeholder. Back inside AsyncImage, image, enter, .resizable, .scale to fit. We've seen these modifiers in our home view. The difference is we're going to add a frame to better contain it. After our placeholder, dot frame, right arrow, select the one with width and height, do 120 for width, and 200 for height. Alright, we're almost there. A frame is needed on the parent VStack itself. There are quite a few closing braces, but if you double click on the leading VStack brace, Xcode will show you where the closing brace is. After the closing brace, enter, dot frame, right arrow, only height this time, do 250. This constricts the view to have a max height of 250. We're pretty close to the edge. To fix this, we can add a padding modifier. This creates space. The default is 16 points. Put 10 in the parentheses for less space. Wow, we did a lot in this video. Great work as usual. Let's take a break, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.